those of you that own a Toyota 4Runner, or probably most Toyota vehicles, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your cabin air filter. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style, and today I'm just going to go over something really quick and easy that a lot of times, people take their cars in to get service at the dealerships, and without realizing it, they end up getting overcharged for something that's so simple to do yourself. I think it's just convenient to say, yes, please replace my windshield wipers or replace my cabin air filter, and they'll charge you a premium for the labor. Minimum like 25-30 bucks. They'll charge you for 15 minutes or half an hour of labor. So for those of you that own a Toyota vehicle, I've done one of these videos for my Charger. I'm about to show you how easy it is to do it yourself. So I literally went online and just bought one of these cabin air filters. There's so many brands, you don't have to overspend. You'll change them periodically anyway. It's one of those disposable items that you'll just have to use. Some people live in states with pollen and chemicals and whatnot in the air, so it's always good to have a good clean cabin air filter. Does your glove compartment resemble something like this? Well, stay to the end of the video and I'll show you a little bonus tip as well. So once you get the glove box cleaned out, you're just going to look back here, and then you're going to notice this compartment there, and that is where the cabin air filter is located. So remove that plate there, and you just have to, loosen up. Just pinch those outside clips. Pinch these outside clips to remove the internal cover, and there is your old filter. Simply pull it out. Oh my. It's got leaves and everything in there. And you want to kind of pay attention to which way is up when you insert the new filter. Yeah, that's haven't replaced this guy in a while. So this is actually a 2-pack, which is good. So I'm just gonna take out the one that I need, and then I will have a replacement, or when it's time to do this again, maybe in a few months. And again, keeping in mind which way to install it. And it's literally just reversing the process, putting that one in there, lining this cover in, snap it in place, and putting this guy back in. One-handed job. That is how easy it is to replace your cabin air filter. Don't let them charge you $15, $20 and a premium for the filter. You could buy it for 15, 20 bucks. Don't let them charge you $50 for the filter that they have. And now I'm going to show you how to organize this. So this is the glove box organizer. It's just 2 pieces made of pretty sturdy ABS plastic. If you saw my Mopar pedal install, it's the same thing. These instructions are pretty much useless. But after looking at the glove box diagram, it looks pretty straightforward. Yes, the sun is deciding to shine at my back. Not great for this video, but for those of you that have a 4Runner, there's a little lip there as well as this part here. So you're going to slide in the smaller part first with this angle on the bottom, and you're just going to put it all the way in and to the left, resting against that top portion there. And then we're going to add in this piece here. So there's a little slit there that will go into that one there, and it slides in and it rests. It should rest right on top of this shelf right there. So putting this in, let's see. Okay, there we go. two-piece install. I mean, it was a good idea to clean or replace the air filter first, because as you can see, this actually blocks that opening. And it's always good to do a purge of the glove compartment every once in a while. I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of different things that I don't need. But this is the organizer. And it looks a lot more organized. Some of the things that I keep in here, of course, is the vehicle documents, the owner's manual, the registration insurance type paperwork. Also add a couple of pens in there, as there's always a need for pens, as well as a couple of sanitary wipes. There's always room for that. Another thing I keep in my glove box is a air pressure gauge. And last but not least is a valet key. This particular car, you're able to lock the glove box with the regular key, and then the valet key doesn't open that lock, but it'll still allow the valet to park the car. So there's a little extra for today's quick install video. I just decided to do this and figure if there's anyone that has a 4runner that wants to kind of clean this up a little bit, take out some of that chaos. Quick and easy install, no tools, 2 minutes, and you are done. All right, guys, that's it. First of all, I want to thank you all for your time. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it helped out maybe a couple of you. If it did, or gave you an idea for a future project that you'll have to do that maybe you always wanted to do, leave a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.